Good morning, students. Today we will study lesson 1, large numbers. Let us begin.
Large numbers. This chapter is a warm-up session which includes all and everything that you have studied in class 2. So basically it's a recapitulation of what you have done in class 2. So let us begin with the warm-up exercise. In class 2 we have learnt to read and write up to 3-digit numbers. So 3-digit numbers includes 3 place values, that is ones, tens and hundreds. So this is what you have studied in class 2. Let us check how much you remember. So let us see how much we remember. The first question is, write the number name of each of the following. You can see the first number is 675. 675. So 6 is in hundreds place, 7 in tens place and 5 is in ones place. Then comes 784. 784. So how will we write? Next comes 273. And the last one is 617. That is 617. Now let us move on to the next question. That is, write each of the following as a numeral. Numeral means we have to write in numbers. This question was about writing the number names, but here we have to write in numbers. The first one is 172, 912, 800, 621. Next comes the place value and the face value. We have to write the place value and the face value of the colored digit. You can see the colored digits in each of the following. Before that, let me explain you what is place value and what is face value. Now, for example, this is your class and these are the benches. You are sitting here and every day you have to rotate so that each student gets a chance to sit in the first bench. So, if Monday you are sitting here, so Tuesday you will be shifted here. So this is called change in place. But when you are changing your place, is your face also changing? No, your face remains the same. Your face looks the same. The way you are looking on Monday, you will look exactly on Saturday. So, what I meant to say is, when we are taking a number, say 2, 7, 8 and 7 is the colored digit. The first thing you have to do is, you have to mention the place value of all the digits. We will write ones, tens and hundreds. You can see the colored part, that is the red part 7, is in tens place. So, when we will talk about place value, we will write tens place, or you can write 70. 7 and there is only one number after 7, so we will put 10. And face value means the face remains the same, the face will be 7. So 7 is in tens place, so place value will be 7 and only one digit is after 7, so we will write 0. 70 and face value will be 7. Same way, we will go to the next question. So the place value will be 1 and there is no number after 1, so it will remain 1 and the face value will also remain 1. Now the colored number is 0. Here comes something important that you should know. You should remember 0 is the only number whose place value and face value is always 0. Even if 0 is in hundreds place, even if 0 is in ones place or tens place, the place value and face value remains the same. So because 0 is in tens place, the place value will be 0 and the face value will also remain 0. The next question is about predecessor and successor. First, let me explain you the concept. Predecessor and successor. Remember that predecessor is -1 and successor is plus 1. That means, for example, a number is given 42 and the question is find the predecessor of 42. What you will do, you will subtract 1 from 42 and you will get 41. So the predecessor of 42 is 41. Same way, I'll take the same number. The question is find the successor of 42. You will add 1 and you will get 43. So the successor of 42 is 43. So if the question is about predecessor, you will subtract 1, and if it is successor, you will add 1. Write the predecessor and successor of each of the following. We'll take the first question. It is dash 2, 4, 3 and again dash. So predecessor means before and successor means after. So here we have to write predecessor and here we have to write successor. I told you predecessor means minus 1. So 243, 243 minus 1 is 242. So it will be a predecessor, and successor is 243 plus 1, that will be 244. I'll show you. 243 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, 4, 2. This is the predecessor. Now 243 plus 1. This is the successor. Same way we'll do the other questions. The next question is write each of the following in standard form. Standard form means you have to make this entire thing one number. This is written 200 plus 40 plus 8. So 200 plus 40 plus 8. You omit plus and now say the number. It will be 248. So you have to write 248. Don't say plus. Here 300 plus 30 plus 0. Now we will not say the plus. We will say 330. So answer will be 330. 700 plus 80 plus 6. Now we will not say plus. It will be 786. So it will be 786. Then 900 plus 0 plus 5. It will be 905. So the answer will be 905. Next is write the expanded form for each of the following. This is called the expanded form. Now we have to expand this number. 646. Now we will say plus. 600 plus 40 plus 6. 154, we will say plus after every number. 100 plus 50 plus 4. 976, we will say 900 plus 70 plus 6. 315, we will say 300 plus 10 plus 5. It will be 315. Next is fill in the blanks. The greatest 3-digit number. This you have done in class 2. I hope you remember. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. The smallest 3-digit number is the dash, successor or predecessor of the greatest 2-digit number. We know greatest 2-digit number is 99 and smallest 3-digit number is 100. So the question is asking whether 100 is the successor of 99 or predecessor of 99. We know 100 comes after 99. That is 99 plus 1 is 100. So it will be successor. Next is 857 is dash 860. Greater than or less than. 857 is less than 860. So we will write less than. The number just before 500, that is, the question is asking about predecessor. Before means predecessor. The number just before 500 is 499 because 499 plus 1 is 500. Next is the number just after 617 is, after means plus 1, so it will be 618. Now we have to fill the boxes with the correct sign. You know this also you have done in class 2 and class 1 as well.
So question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Do it yourself, and if you have any doubt, we'll discuss.
So we have to form the smallest and the greatest number using this number. Smallest number always starts with the smallest number. So out of 6, 8 and 3, the smallest number is 3. Slightly greater is 6 and the greatest is 8. So smallest number will be 638. But greatest number, it will be exactly the opposite, the flipped part of 368. We will write it in a reverse order. 863. 863. Now the next question is 509. Usually in these questions you people make a lot of mistakes. I know 0 is small, but you will not write 0 in front. This will be wrong. Why? Let me explain you. When we write 0 in the beginning of any number, the value of 0 is nothing. So 059 becomes 59 and 078 becomes 78. But the question here is 509. If we will write 059, it will become 59. So the answer will become wrong because there are 3 digits and here you are writing only 2 digits. So we will not take 0 as the smallest number, but we will take 5 as the smallest number. So the smallest number will remain same. Then the greatest number will be exactly the reversed part, 905. The last question is 723. The smallest number is 2, slightly greater is 3 and greatest is 7. And the greatest number will be the reversed order, 732. I hope you understood the warm up exercise and we'll move on to 4-digit numbers in the next video.